What's up YouTube? We are on part 3 of learning how we can solve ratio questions using the Singapore bar method. It is the best method in the whole world, and by the end of this series of videos you're going to be able to answer all ratio questions easily. For this question here, we need to know how to draw out the ratio 3:2, which we covered in part 1, and know if this 3 here belongs to Alex or Sam, which we covered in part 2. If you don't know either of those things, you have to click on the videos. Okay, Alex and Sam share some money in the ratio 3:2. In total, they have £50. How much money does Sam have? Well, it's a ratio question, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw out my ratio. My ratio is 3:2. I know how to draw it out. 3:2. Alex is the first name, 3 is the first number, so this part here is Alex's. Sam is the second name, so this part here is Sam's. Alex has 3 boxes, Sam has 2 boxes. In total, they have £50. So what we need to do is we need to go, well, how many boxes are there in total? How many parts are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this whole thing is 5 parts, and this whole thing is worth £50. There are 5 equal boxes, so we need to split £50 equally into 5 boxes. To do that, what we want to do is we want to do 50 divided by 5. There are 5 equal boxes, so we need to work out what's inside each box. 50 divided by 5. Going to get 10. So in every single box, 10, 10, 10, and 10. How much money does Sam have? Well, Sam is this box here and this box here. Sam is the second name, so Sam is the second number. 1 box is 10. 2 boxes, 10 plus 10, or 10 times 2. So Sam has £20. If the question was how much money does Alex have? 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 10 times 3, Alex has £30. The question is saying how much does Sam have? So 10 plus 10, or 10 times 2, Sam has £20. We're going to do another example now. Okay, Alex, Sam and Charlie share some money in the ratio 4:1:5. In total, they have £60. How much money does Alex have? Our ratio, 4:1:5. Draw out the ratio. 4:1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total, they have £60. So in total, all of it is £60. All of the boxes will add up to 60. We now need to work out how much one box is worth. They're all equal boxes. We need to work out how much one box is worth. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we want to do 60. There are 10 boxes divided by 10. 60 our total divided by our number of boxes, and we will get 6. So every single box is worth 6. We can do a 6 in every single box. The question says, how much money does Alex have? Alex is the first name, so Alex is the first number. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes for Alex. Each box is worth 4, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or to do it easier, we can do 6 4. 6 times 4, we'll get 24. So how much money does Alex have? £24. One more example. Okay, Alex and Sam share some money in the ratio 7:2. In total, they have £81, so show that Sam has £18. By now, we should know what we're doing. It's nice and straightforward, nice and simple. The ratio is 7:2. What's our first step? draw the ratio out. We know how to draw out 7 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 2. Which part's Alex's? Well, Alex is the first name. Alex is the first number. This part here is Alex's. This part here is Sam's. In total, they have £81. So all of these boxes in total, all together, add up to £81. Our next step, what do we need to find out now? We need to find out how much one box is worth. So to do that, we need to do our total, 81, divided by however many boxes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. So that means that every single box now is worth 9. So 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. The question says, show that Sam has £18. So this box here and this box here, we can either do 9 plus 9, which is 18, or we can do 9 times 2, which gets us £18. So we're right, Sam does have £18. So what you want to do, you want to draw out your ratio, find out what the total is, do the total divided by however many boxes you have. Here we have 9 boxes, so total divided by 9. Find out what one box is, and then multiply it here. Here we've got 7 boxes, so 9 times 7, or do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. And then you'll find out how much Alex has. 9 times 2 is 18, or 9 plus 9 to find out how much Sam has. I don't think there's anything too difficult here. Come back for part 4 where we're going to try the next question. It gets slightly more tricky, but again, it should be nice and straightforward. You're able to draw out a ratio, you can tell whose is whose, you know how to do this total thing, you know how to find out how much one box is. So the next part shouldn't be too tricky. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.